Happy Sunday, guys, and good morning. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you all have a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II. My friends call me Greg. So, without further ado, let's get started. Today, I am going to go to New Bethel Baptist Church to serve as their camera operator for the 9 and 11:15 a.m. service. So without further ado, let's get going. But first I may need to change. Give me a few minutes and I'll meet you all there. Okay guys, so I just made my way to New Bethel Baptist Church, all gusted up and dressed up. And now, without further ado, let's head inside. Alright guys, so I just got into the sanctuary of the church, and as you can see, the display that the youth ministry had last Sunday is gone. That's very sad, but who knows, maybe maybe the youth ministry will do something like that again. But in the meantime, however, I'm going to get started here by turning on every device in here, starting with the monitors, and then the lights, and then anything else that needs to be lit in here. So stick around guys, and let's get to it. Okay guys, so I just got finished turning on every device inside this place. From monitors to camera, to lights, to the blue UV lights. So right now, not much is happening here in the sanctuary, and plus the service doesn't start for nearly half an hour. So I'm just gonna stay here and wait until the service starts. Oh, and to let you all know, I only wear this suit only for first Sundays. For a communion service, of course. Just as a personal note. So stick around, guys, and see how it all goes. Okay, guys, so we are about to start the first service. And as you see, I'm all ready to go. And the camera is all ready to go. So I will see you all after service. Okay guys, so we just got finished with second service. Not much is going to happen right now, so I'm just going to stick around the church for a while, and I'm going to help out with the second service at 11:15. So check out where the adventure takes me from here. Okay guys, so we are about to start with second service. I am all ready to go. I got my headphones and the camera is up and ready. So without further ado, I'll see you all after service. Hey guys, we just got finished with the second service and now I'm about to head out. I gotta say, this service was a whole lot different than what I'm used to. But it was still a good service, either way. Alright, so I'm about to leave and stick around and see where the adventure takes me. Man, guys, that was a very, very, very wonderful day. I really enjoy working the two services. It helps me, push myself whenever I'm out in the field. But for now, I'll stick to camera operating for New Bethel Baptist Church. Who knows? Maybe more will come in the future. So guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on a wonderful adventure today. I hope you all have a wonderful week and a wonderful weekend. And also remember, imagination, memories, forever on film. Until then, see you all next time.